Welcome to Session 2, Section 2. This session will focus on practicing the number skills required for Level 1 Functional Mathematics. This is Section 2. The aims of this section are to write numbers using words and figures, to choose the number operation required to solve problems efficiently, to use place value to order numbers, to multiply or divide by 10 or 100, to interpret scales using negative numbers. Question 1. Here is a cheque to pay a bill of £6,030 to Robinson's Builders. There is a mistake on the cheque. Explain what is wrong. Remember, you can pause the video while you answer the questions. Question 2. The builder presents a cheque and several others to the bank. The bank gets cheques on accounts with the following numbers: 100467, 298721, 312452, 190234, 234765, 100432, and 219837. Put the cheques in order, starting with the lowest. Remember to pause the video while you answer the questions. Question 3. The builder needs to send 2 workers to Manchester to complete a job. They will need accommodation for 4 days. The boss looks at the following information. What is the difference between half-board and full-board accommodation? The boss is prepared to pay full board if it's less than £100 more than half-board accommodation. Which accommodation should he book? Pause the video while you answer the questions. Question 4. Jack has to build a wall that has 10 rows of bricks. There will be 142 bricks in each row. How many bricks will Jack need? Question 5. The builder needs to pay his wages bill. The wages cost £4,025. Write £4,025 in words. Question 6. The boss takes on 6 casual labourers for 5 days. He pays them £90 per day. How much does it cost the boss for their wages? Question 7. Heights above sea level are described using positive numbers in metres. Heights below sea level are described using negative numbers in metres. What do the following mean when describing sea level? A, positive 5 metres, and B, minus 10 metres. Question 8. A factory packages small fittings which are sold by weight. A worker weighs 10 packets every hour to check that the packets are not too far over or too far under 270 grams. The worker records packets of 280 grams as plus 10. The worker records packets of 260 grams as minus 10. How would the worker record the following weights? A, 290 grams, B, 250 grams, C, 265 grams, and D, 275 grams. Question 9. Sarah the decorator needs 42 metres of border for a room. She buys a roll of border that is 37 metres long. She does the calculation 37 minus 42 on her calculator. The calculator shows minus 5. Explain what minus 5 means for Sarah's situation. Think about this in terms of the length of the roll of border. Question 10. Sarah earns £1,450 a month as a painter and decorator. What is their annual salary? Question 11. Graham is organising interviews for new apprentices. He is going to interview 34 applicants. He can interview 13 people each day. How many days does he need for the interviews? Question 12. A company is organising a team building weekend and will be taking 135 employees. Each coach has seats for 28 people. A. How many coaches will be needed? B. How many spare seats will there be? Let's recap this section. Can you write numbers using words and figures? Did you choose a number operation required to solve problems efficiently? Can you use place or value to order numbers? Can you multiply or divide by 10 or 100? Can you interpret scales using negative numbers? Remember, if you still have questions or need help, please ask me in class or email me.